Ethan, people always say you need to live in an English-speaking country to become fluent. Is that true?
Absolutely not. I know people who lived abroad for years and barely improved their English.
And we know people who never left their home country but became fluent through immersion at home.
Today we're showing how to create English immersion without traveling anywhere.
Let's start with your physical environment. What's the first change?
Change every device to English. Phone, computer, TV, apps, everything.
This forces you to navigate your daily digital life in English constantly.
At first it's confusing, but within a week you adapt and learn tons of vocabulary.
Environmental change 2. Put English labels on household objects.
Sticky notes everywhere. Door, refrigerator, mirror, lamp.
Every time you see or use these objects, you're reinforcing English vocabulary passively.
Environmental change 3. English media becomes your default entertainment.
Only watch shows, movies, and videos in English. Read only English books and articles.
This isn't deprivation. There's amazing English content in every genre and interest area.
You're not sacrificing entertainment. You're choosing English entertainment.
Now let's talk about creating English social immersion at home.
Strategy 1. Find online English-speaking communities about your interests.
Love cooking? Join English cooking forums. Love gaming? Join English gaming Discord servers.
The key is genuine interest. You're not there just to practice English. You're there because you care about the topic.
Strategy 2. Schedule regular online conversations with language partners.
Apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or Language Exchange Discord servers connect you with speakers worldwide.
30 minutes of conversation twice weekly gives you real practice without leaving home.
Strategy 3. Narrate your life in English out loud.
This sounds weird, but talk to yourself in English throughout the day.
I'm making coffee. The water is boiling. I need to add sugar. Where did I put the spoon?
Your brain practices English constantly, even when alone.
Now, mental immersion techniques. This is powerful.
Technique 1. Think in English instead of your native language.
Start with simple thoughts. I'm hungry. I need to study. The weather is nice.
Gradually, more complex thoughts become automatic in English.
Technique 2. Plan your day in English.
Every morning, mentally review your schedule in English. First I'll work, then I'll exercise, then I'll cook dinner.
Technique 3. Solve problems in English mentally.
When you face any decision, think through it in English. Should I buy this? What are the pros and cons?
This makes English your thinking language, not just your speaking language.
Let's discuss creating an English learning zone in your home.
Dedicate one space, a desk, a corner, a room as your English zone. In this space, only English happens. No native language allowed.
Put English posters, quotes, vocabulary lists on the walls.
Keep English books, notebooks, and resources in this space.
When you enter this zone, your brain switches to English mode.
This physical trigger creates a psychological shift.
Now let's talk about time-based immersion.
Set specific hours as English-only hours.
For example, 7 to 9 a.m. every day is English time. During these hours, everything you do is in English.
Read in English, listen to English, think in English, speak in English if you talk to anyone.
2 hours daily of complete immersion adds up to 60-plus hours monthly.
That's like taking an intensive English course.
Let's share how home immersion changed our English.
After 3 months of home immersion, I started dreaming in English.
That's the sign that English is becoming automatic in your brain.
My English improved faster during those 3 months than during 2 years of traditional classes.
Because traditional classes are 2 to 3 hours weekly, home immersion can be 10 to 20 hours weekly.
Now let's troubleshoot obstacles.
Obstacle 1. Family members don't speak English.
That's okay. You can still do solo immersion. Plus, maybe your immersion will inspire them to learn.
Obstacle 2. I miss content in my native language.
Schedule specific times for native language content. Maybe Friday nights are your native language movie nights.
But most of your time should still be English immersion.
Obstacle 3. Home immersion feels lonely compared to real-world interaction.
That's why online communities and video calls are crucial. You get real human interaction through technology.
Obstacle 4. I don't have time for full immersion.
Even partial immersion works. Change just your phone to English. Watch just one show in English daily. Small changes compound.
Let's give a realistic home immersion schedule.
Morning, 7 to 9 a.m. English only zone. Listen to English podcasts, read English news, think in English.
Work/school hours, use English as much as possible. Take notes in English, read materials in English when you can.
Evening, 6 to 8 p.m. English entertainment. Watch shows, play games, read books, all in English.
Before bed, 9 to 10 p.m., English journal entry, review vocabulary, listen to gentle English audio.
That's about 5 to 6 hours of English exposure daily, all from home.
All right, everyone, choose 3 home immersion strategies from our list.
Implement them starting today. Change your phone to English right now.
Comment which strategies you're trying.
See you in the next video.
Immerse yourself into fluency.